I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see elimination of arbitrary functions. Elimination of arbitrary functions. So, in this elimination of arbitrary functions, we are going to see. So, first problem I'll take solve. Previously, we have seen elimination of arbitrary constant. Here we are seeing all elimination of arbitrary functions. Solve z equal to y square plus 2 times of f into 1 by x plus log y. 1 by x plus log y. So this is the given thing. Solution. Here we will take so z equal to y square plus 2e into f into 1 by x plus log y. Which one? This one I'll consider as equation number 1. How do you simplify this? Here 1 by x is there. How do you simplify this? Means here what is the function means this is the function f of 1 by x plus log y is there, no? This 1 by x plus log y I have to eliminate. Here only one function is there, only f is the function here. So f of 1 by x plus log y is the function. How do you differentiate this? Means equation 1 differentiate partially with respect to x. Will differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of z with respect to x should be dou z by dou x equal to p. Differentiation of y square is nothing but 0 plus 2 into differentiation of f should be f dash of 1 by x plus log y. 1 by s plus log y. Differentiation of 1 by x should be minus 1 by x square. Now if we cross multiply to this side, x square into dou z by dou x equal to minus 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y, I will write. This is equation number 2. Now then again equation 1 differentiate partially with respect to y. We'll differentiate partially with respect to y. You will get differentiation of z should be dou z by dou y. That only I'll write it as q. Y square should be with respect to y means we will write it as 2y plus 2 into differentiation of f should be f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Differentiation of 1 by x should be 0. Log y should be 1 by y. Now I can write this only dou z by dou y minus 2y equal to 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y into 1 by y. So we'll cross multiply this y this side, y into dou z by dou y minus 2y equal to 2 times of f dash of 1 by x plus log y. 1 by x plus log y. This is equation number 3. One is equation 2, another one should be equation number 3. Now if you see this right hand side of that equation 2 and equation 3, both places f dash is there. If I'll divide this equation 2 by 3, already I told to eliminate that arbitrary constants, arbitrary functions, whatever the arithmetic program, whatever the arithmetic operations if we want to use, we can use. Now equation 2 divided by equation 3 I will do. If we do equation 2 divided by 3 means x square into dou z by dou x divided by y into dou z by dou y minus 2y equal to 2 times of f dash of minus 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y divided by 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Now we'll cancel this. So if we'll cancel this, you will get equation 2 divided by 3 if you give, so you will get minus 1. Now I can write this one only, x square into, you can write this, x square dou z by dou x, x square dou z by dou x equal to minus of y into dou z by dou y minus 2y, minus of y into dou z by dou y minus 2y. Now I can write x square into dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y minus 2y equal to 0, which is the required. See here, this is here y was there, so y I brought this side. So if you multiply this one to this side, so you will get y should be that. Let's see, y into is there, no? This y should be for the whole term. Now y into dou z by dou y plus minus 2y square equal to 0. Minus 2y square equal to 0, which is required PDE, which is required PDE. Next problem. Solve Lx plus my plus nz equal to pi of x square plus y square plus z square. Lx plus my plus nz equal to pi of x square plus y square plus z square. Solution. Now the given equation, given Lx plus my plus nz equal to pi of x square plus y square plus z square, which is equation number 1. I'll take. Here only one function is there. That is function is here. Pi is the function here. Only one function. This one, how do you differentiate means equation 1, differentiate partially with respective to x. Differentiation of Lx should be L. My should be 0 plus n into differentiation of z with respect to x should be dou z by dou x. Pi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into differentiation of x square should be 2x, y square should be 0. This one should be 2z into dou z by dou x. Now L plus n into dou z by dou x equal to pi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into 2x is the 2 I will take outside. Here you will get 2 times of x plus z into dou z by dou x I can write, which is equation number 2. Now equation 1, differentiate partially with respective to y. Will differentiate with respect to y. Lx should be 0, my should be m plus n into dou z by dou y equal to pi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into differentiation of x square 0, y square should be 2y plus z square should be 2z into dou z by dou y. Now I can write this one only, m plus n into dou z by dou y equal to 2 if I'll take outside, 2 into pi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into y plus z into dou z by dou y I can write. If you'll see here what is our aim? Our aim is to eliminate this pi. If you'll see equation 2 and 3, here pi dash, if you'll divide means it will pi dash will go. So only remains this only. So now I can write equation 2 divided by equation 3 is nothing but L plus n into dou z by dou x divided by m plus n into dou z by dou y equal to 2 times of pi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into x plus z into dou z by dou x divided by 2 times of pi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into y plus z into dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y. So now I'll cancel this and this. So only remain should be L plus n into dou z by dou x. Now remains only this L plus n into dou z by dou x divided by m plus n into dou z by dou y equal to x plus z into dou z by dou x divided by y plus z into dou z by dou y you will get. Now you cross multiply this. If you cross multiply, you will get L plus n into dou z by dou x into y plus z into dou z by dou y equal to m plus n into dou z by dou y into x plus z into dou z by dou x. If you want, we can multiply. Otherwise, we will leave up to here. Right. So in the same way, only single function I have done. I'll do for the two functions. I'll do for the two function values. One problem. Right. Solve two functions. I can solve one problem. Solve z equal to y into f of x plus x into pi of y. This is a given equation. Here, two functions are there. One is f of x and pi of y. Whenever two functions are there, we can go for up to the second order derivative. Right. Solution. Z equal to y into f of x plus x into pi of y, which is equation number 1. Dou z by dou x, differentiation of z with respect to x should be y into differentiation of f of x should be f dash of x plus differentiation of x should be 1 into pi of y, which is equation number 2. Now dou z by dou y equal to differentiation of z with respect to y is nothing but 1 into f of x plus x into differentiation of pi of y should be pi dash of y. This is equation number 3. Now equation 2, differentiate partially with respect to x. The time we'll get dou z by dou x is nothing but dou square z by dou x square. You will get differentiation of z with respect to x, dou square z by dou x square. With respect to x we are doing, so y into differentiation of f dash of x should be f double dash of x plus pi of y should be 0. This only I'll write y into f double dash of x. Next, equation 3, differentiate partially with respect to y. We'll differentiate with respect to y. So dou square z by dou y square equal to f of x should be 0 will come because only constant is there. Constant is there means f of x whenever differentiating with respect to y it should be 0 plus x into differentiation of pi of y should be pi double dash of y, which is equation number 4, and this one should be I'll write as x into pi double dash of y is nothing but equation number 5. Now equation 2, differentiate partially with respect to y. Well, with respect to y means 2 is nothing but dou z by dou x is there. Dou square z by dou x into dou y. Already x I have done. I am differentiating with respect to y. I am differentiating with respect to y. If you will do what you will get with respect to x, if you will do with respect to y is there here with respect to means differentiation of y is 1 into f dash of x with respect to y I am doing plus differentiation of pi of y. See this equation 2 I am doing with respect to y. Y should be 1 into f dash of x. Pi of y is there, that one should be pi dash of y you will get. This is equation 6 I'll take. Now how do you eliminate this? So I have done everything, all the possibilities. How do you eliminate this means We have to find what is that f dash of x value and the pi dash of y values. We have to substitute. Right. Now we can take from equation 2. From equation 2. What is that equation 2 is nothing but equation 2 is dou z by dou x minus pi of y, dou z by dou x minus pi of y divided by y equal to f dash of x. Dou z by dou x minus pi of y into 1 by y equal to f dash of x. F dash of x. This is from equation 2. From equation 2, see here, dou z by dou x is there. This one I brought this side. The time minus pi of y divided by y you will get. Here there is no minus, so we are simply, this minus is there. There is no minus here. So we will bring this one now. From equation 3. From equation 3. From equation 3 we will get dou z by dou y minus f of x divided by x. Dou z by dou y minus f of x, dou z by dou y minus f of x, dou z by dou y minus f of x divided by x equal to pi dash of y, divided by x equal to pi dash of y. Now this I can take it as equation number 4, and this I can take it as equation, already used equation 4 and 5 I think. So now 7 and 8 I'll take. This is equation number 7 and this is equation number 8. Now use equation 7 and equation 8 in which equation we are going to use means in 6. In equation 6. If you use in equation 6, what we will get is nothing but dou square z by dou x into dou y equal to dou square z by dou x into dou y equal to, what is that f dash of x? We know that f dash of x is dou z by dou x minus pi of y divided into 1 by y plus dou z by dou y minus f of x divided by 1 by x. This is one should be f dash of x, another one should be pi dash of y. F dash of x, pi dash of y. Now you'll get dou square z by dou x into dou y equal to, we will write 1 by y into dou z by dou x minus 1 by y into pi of y plus dou z by dou y into 1 by x minus 1 by x into f of x will get. So here again see pi of y and f of x is there. How do you eliminate that one means dou square z by dou x into dou y equal to, I'll keep 1 by y into dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou x into 1 by x I'll take. Now minus I'll take outside 1 by x into f of x plus 1 by y into pi of y. Now we can write 1 by y into dou z by dou x plus 1 by x into dou z by dou z by dou y. Start this dou z by dou y minus 1 by x, 1 by y is there. So if you take LCM, 1 by xy, I'll take it as LCM, 1 by xy. We'll take this one, y into f of x you will get, plus x into pi of y. Y into f of x plus x into pi of y. So this is nothing but what is that? According to equation 1, y into f of x plus x into pi of y from equation 1. Now you'll write dou square z by dou x into dou y equal to 1 by y into dou z by dou x plus 1 by x into dou z by dou y minus xy into, what is that? This one should be, I'll write it as z. Now, if you want, we can take LCM. So dou square z by dou x into dou y equal to divided by here xy x into dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y minus z by xy. Now cross multiply this xy into dou square z by dou x into dou y equal to x into dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y minus z, which is the required solution for the given equation. Right. So some type of different problems are there in this. We'll see such a kind of problem, one problem. Right. So we'll get only one function. Inside that one, two different functions are there. How do you simplify this kind of things? Solve pi of xy plus z square, comma x plus y plus z equal to 0. X plus y plus z equal to 0. How do you simplify this one means? We'll take here solution. Given function should be pi of xy plus z square, comma x plus y plus z equal to 0. One should be u equal to xy plus z square. Another one should be v equal to x plus y plus z. You have to take. Whenever like this functions will come, we should take one should be u, we can take another should be v. If you use the total derivative concept according to this, pi of u comma v equal to 0, it will come like this. If you use total derivative concept, you have to use. So instead of writing the total derivative concepts around, directly you can write the formula. U and v you have to take. So formula should be dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y equal to dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. How we will get this one means, if this function you can differentiate with respect to x first and differentiate with respect to y using total derivative concept, and you can simplify that, you will get this. You should remember the formula, that is sufficient, not required more than that. So not required to write the total derivative concept also. How this formula will come under this using the total derivative concept. Now, what is it? Dou u by dou x, u equal to xy plus z square. Dou u by dou x equal to differentiation of x is 1, y plus z square should be 2z into dou z by dou x. Dou u by dou y is nothing but differentiation of y is 1, x into 1 plus differentiation of z square should be 2z into dou z by dou y. Similarly, v equal to x plus y plus z. Dou v by dou x equal to differentiation of x is 1, y is 0 plus z is dou z by dou x. Dou v by dou y equal to 1 plus dou z by dou y. Now, if you'll simplify this, according to this, if you'll use ux divided by uy equal to vx divided by vy, ux is nothing but y plus 2z into dou z by dou x divided by ux means dou u by dou x. This is the concept, how you got it this one, by using total derivative concept. This one you have to differentiate with respect to x and with respect to y, and you have to simplify that. So you will get like in this form. Divided by dou u by dou y is x plus 2z into dou z by dou y equal to dou v by dou x is 1 plus dou z by dou x divided by 1 plus dou z by dou y. Now you cross multiply this, y plus 2z into dou z by dou x into 1 plus dou z by dou y equal to 1 plus dou z by dou x into x plus 2z into dou z by dou y. If you want, we can cross multiply and simplify this. So if we'll cross multiply and simplify, we'll get dou z by dou x into, after cross multiplication terms I'm not writing here, dou z by dou x into x minus 2z minus dou z by dou y into y minus 2z plus x minus y equal to 0 you will get. We'll simplify this much terms will get, and you can get it in this format. Right. Next we can take solve f of x square plus 2yz comma y square plus 2zx equal to 0. It is also containing two functions here. So that's the way I'm taking here. I'm going to use one should be f of u comma v formula I'm going to use. Solution f of x square plus 2yz comma y square plus 2zx equal to 0. This only I'll write f of u comma v equal to 0. For that formula, you know that here f is there. So that's the way just I am taking here. Whatever it may be, if you use this one total derivative concept, you will get dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y equal to dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. What is u and what is v? U equal to x square plus 2yz, v equal to y square plus 2zx. Now dou u by dou x equal to differentiation of x square should be 2x plus differentiation of 2y into differentiation of z should be zx, or dou z by dou x also we can write. Dou u by dou y equal to differentiation of x square should be 0, 2y into 2 into y, differentiation of z should be, y is 2y into differentiation of z into y should be zy with respect to y. Next one should be 2 into differentiation of y is 1, 2 is z. This is dou u by dou y. Similarly, dou v by dou x equal to y square will become 0 here. 2 into z into differentiation of z with respect to x should be zx into x plus 2 is z into differentiation of x should be 1. Dou v by dou x. I'll write here, see. Sorry. I'll erase it and I will write it here. Because here space is not sufficient, that's why I'm writing here. Same terms I'm going to write here. Right, u equal to x square plus 2yz, v equal to y square plus 2zx. Dou u by dou x equal to differentiation of x square should be 2x plus 2y into differentiation of z should be zx. Dou u by dou y equal to differentiation of x square is 0, 2y into 2 into differentiation of y is 1 into z plus 2 into 2y into differentiation of z should be zy. Now dou u by dou y equal to 2z plus 2y into zy. This is dou u by dou y. Next, dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x equal to y square should be 0. 2zx is nothing but 2 into 2z into differentiation of x should be 1 plus 2x into differentiation of z with respect to x should be zx. Now dou v by dou y is nothing but differentiation of y square should be 2y plus 2z into x is there. 2x I will keep as it is. Differentiation of z should be zy. Now I can substitute dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y equal to dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. What is the dou u by dou x is nothing but 2x plus 2y into zx divided by 2z plus 2y into zy equal to 2z plus 2x into zx divided by 2y plus 2x into zy. Now 2 you can take it outside. We'll take 2 outside and both sides it will cancel. Then you will get in the form of x plus y into zx should be dou z by dou x divided by next one should be z into z plus y into dou z by dou y equal to z plus x into dou z by dou x divided by y plus x into dou z by dou y. Now you can cross multiply this. You cross multiply, and if you simplify this, you will get in the form of we'll cross multiply this side. So if we'll cross multiply, we'll get x plus y into dou z by dou x into y plus x into dou z by dou y equal to z plus x into dou z by dou x into z plus y into dou z by dou y. Now, if we'll cross multiply this, we'll get in the form of, and they can multiply and simplify this, y square minus zx into dou z by dou x plus x square minus yz into dou z by dou y equal to z square minus xy, which is the required solution for the given problem. Now you know that how do you simplify when two functions will come? In a single function only u comma v will come. How do you simplify? You know that only single function will come. How do you simplify? We know that. This is a concepts are involved in elimination of arbitrary functions.